Hello and welcome back. Now, just quickly, sorry about the cicadas. They're a part of our environment that we just cannot get rid of, and we are trying to organise something in the future. Anyway, as you can see here, we've taken apart the diff on the old EA Falcon station wagon, and it's good and bad news. We have a 28 spline flat flange diff, which is what we sort of already knew, which is good. So M78, 28 spline axles, nice and strong there. But downside is it's M75 gears and bearings. We don't know. We've never seen this before, so we have no idea what's going on here. Now the tuner, we have gotten the J3 chip by the way, and the tuner, Mr. TI, has stated that the 411s that we were going to do aren't a good idea, and as it won't allow the turbo to spool. So technically this is a saving grace. We're going to leave the 323s and just mini spool the center, which means $100 off the budget, which then instantly goes back to a fuel cut defender so we can actually boost the car. I also thought we'd mention, as you can sort of see, we are proper driveway heroes. We don't have a shed or a hoist or anything, we're just jealous, but we do crawl on the ground in the rain or shine. That's what we do. Right, here we go. We have a lovely $45 mini spool. So this is the M78 mini spool. And we have the original diff center here, pulled apart with all the spider gears and all the pins pushed out in a little block. Never seen this before, funky little thing. Now, it can sit right in there, just how it should do. See, Scotty? Alright, well, finally got it all back together. We now have a mini spooled M78, M75 weird hybrid, but we did get instant karma as soon as we said this is how you should do, Scotty. We had to grind down the chamfers on the mini spool to actually make it sit flush so we could get the pins in. Aftermarket. After you mark it and cut it, it fits. Alright, well, as you can see here, and hopefully in a little photo montage just before this, the diff is back together, and the cover is nice and painted, black with gold accents, my handiwork. Anyway, it now has the mini spool in, the 323s are back in, so the lashes and everything are just how they were when the car came out the factory.